Welcome back to Delisha Life and Travel. If it is your first time coming across my video, I am Delisha, a lifestyle and travel vlogger here in Guangzhou, China. I'm also a sourcing agent. If you are living outside of China and you want to know the prices of things, source, get information about goods, products in China, I'm the person to call. Today I'm on my way to another city not far from Guangzhou to source for a client. He wants information on water purification and bottling plant. Stick with me on this journey as we are on our way to this factory. I'll catch you soon. Warranty, yeah, 1 year. Okay. There you see different types of bottles. We are having this meeting right now. After here, we are going to the factory itself to see how the production goes on.
这种是印尼的，这是印尼的生产线，或者说是从300到1.5升都可以兼容。
We are now headed to the production room. Let's go and take a tour of the place. You have all of these amazing people here.
这个车间是我们个水处理车间，是从每小时12000可以生产到15000，是每一个冲洗都是单独的陶瓷阀门冲洗。对，都是。
Yes, very strong.
它这个还没放到瓶子里面。
Filling.
对对对，我们这个提升阀用的是德国伊克斯滑动轴承，
One is from Germany.
Germany, okay.
而且我们这个进水密封是保用终身。
If you damage, we can change for this for you.
这台是玻璃瓶灌装机。
有这个吗？
这个吗？这一条线，
他想要看这个的
他想看这个线。
Hey, so we are now leaving the factory where they manufacture the components for filtration and bottling plants. Everybody here, we have Carrie and Mason, yeah, and our Ta Lao Bangs in the front here. Catch you soon.
3到1.5升都可以兼容。
0.5 liter. Also can use this line.
Okay.
This is the
The tap.
进去以后，要把这个盖子进行清洗，清洗完以后进行旋
So the taps will have to be washed, purified before they can get on sealed up on the bottle. Oh my God! Voila! Yeah. Here you don't have the label on it, so it goes through another system for it to have the label on it on this side. Okay, so let's head to that place.
外面这不是光的吗？
Yeah, yeah.
然后贴上标签。
Put the logo. Yes.
Let's see. Good.
这个用完了，往这个上面一放，然后
Okay, okay.
Finish and then put this another here.
So you see this entire process, right?
Other machine to packing this water.
Okay.
One step have 24 bottles.
Okay. Wow, wow, wow.
The machine all
That one, what is
这
it?
个里边是
这个看看，这是一个中文，就是控制设备的嘛，操作的嘛。
controller the equipment.
Okay, can it be translated to English?
可以的，
Okay, okay.
没问题。
Okay, this is good. This is
非
good.
常好。
Do you guys give training to people if they purchase?
可以，
Of course,
没
Okay.
问题的。我们也可以过来咱们这儿学习，我们到现场也会培训。
you can arrange somebody come here to train.
Okay, okay.
对，我们去安装的时候也会培训他们。
Our come to your flat to install. We will training your
Train,
client.
okay, that's what I thought. So voila, this is it. You know who to call for anything here in China. Call Delicia. I'm just a text or a phone call away.